So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to move sprites in DarkGDK. First thing I'm going to do is just comment in my name and date. 6/13/13. The first thing you want to do is include DarkGDK.h in quotes. Then you want to open up your main function, which is void DarkGDK. Open up that brace, and in this you want to create a sprite x variable and a sprite y variable so we can move. So you want to do int maybe sx for sprite x and equal that to 300, and that with quote or semicolon, int sy for the sprite y axis and put that at 240. Then you want to load in your image. I already have an image made, so you pause the video, make your own image, db load image, and mine's named ufo.bmp. And since it's the first image, we're going to name it 1. And my image actually has a green box around it, which is really annoying, so we're going to color key that out with db set image color key. And we don't want to get rid of the red, we want to get rid of the green since it's green box, and leave in the other colors. Now after that, we need to put in some very important things for the db sync function. We want to turn sync on, so db sync on, then db sync rate, so it refreshes 60 times a second. After that, we want to open up our game loop, which is while LoopGDK. And we want to open the brace so we can get into the loop. And we're going to turn our image into a sprite with db sprite. The ID for our sprite is 1 because that's what we named it before. The int x is our x-axis we created earlier, sx. And our y variable is our y-axis we created earlier, which is sy. Then our sprite name, we're just going to call 1 because it's our first sprite. Then we're going to load this with if statements saying if up key, if down key, whatever, so we can move the sprite around the screen. So we're going to start with if db up key. And each key has its own function. We're gonna open up that if statement, and in here for up we're gonna change our y axis sy minus minus so it moves at 1 pixel per. So next we want to do down, db down key, and we're gonna change our sy plus plus. So now it'll move up and down the screen, but we want to move left and right too, so we're going to put in if db left key. And for this we want to change our sx variables. So left we want minus minus, and if db right key, we're going to add to our sx variable, so it'll move to the right. Now this part's very important, so you can move your sprite around the screen without ending up with just a blue blur or black blur or whatever. So we're going to do db sync, so it syncs up the screen each time. That's what the sync rate's for. Then we can close our game loop, and we can also close our main loop. And this is all the code we need to actually move around a sprite. So we're gonna start our project here, and we can move around the screen. But one is really slow, and if you want to move faster, you can just do like minus equals 3 or plus equals 3. Or hey, if you want to move faster, you can do even like 5 or 6. You can put in any number you want here. So to left and right, we will move at 5 pixels, and up and down we'll move at 3. You can change them however you like, but that's how you move quicker if you want. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.